Welcome to our new video tutorial on creating beautiful paper quilling cherry blossoms. This delicate flower is not only a symbol of spring but also a favorite among quillers for its elegant design and versatility. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to craft stunning cherry blossoms using simple quilling techniques and materials. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, this project will help you enhance your skills while adding a touch of beauty to your artwork. Let's get started on creating these lovely blooms. Gather the materials needed: 1 mm paper strips, pink and white, 10 mm paper strips, glue, dowel, long needle tool, tweezers, slotted tool, and scissors. Create tight coil. Insert one end of the strip into the slotted quilling tool. Begin rolling the strip tightly around the tool. Keep it tight and even. I used 2 paper strips here, 1 mm wide and 23 inches long. Once you reach the end of the strip, apply a small amount of glue to the loose end to secure the coil. Hold it for a few seconds to ensure it stays in place. Repeat this for 5 coils. Experiment with different sizes and colors for unique blossoms. Glue the back of the coil to ensure it stays in place. Allow the glue to dry completely. For a more realistic look, you can gently curve the edges of the petals. This can be done using a dowel. Gently pinch one side of the tight coil to form the teardrop shape. Glue the 1 mm paper strip until the back of the 10 mm paper strip. Let it dry completely. Make small cuts along the strip toward the base. The cuts should be about 1 mm space apart. Be careful not to cut all the way through, leave the last part uncut to form a base for the fringe. Gently roll the base part of the strip. Apply a small amount of glue to the uncut end, the base. Arrange the petals, gluing each one in place. Glue the center in the middle of the petals. Allow the glue to dry completely before moving or adding more elements to your design. Thank you for joining us in this paper quilling cherry blossoms tutorial. We hope you enjoyed the process and found it both relaxing and rewarding. Your handmade cherry blossoms can be used in various projects, from cards to home decor, adding a touch of spring to any space. Don't forget to experiment with colors and sizes to make them uniquely yours. Share your creations with us, and happy quilling! If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crafting content, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future tutorials. Share your quilling projects in the comments below, we'd love to see what you've made. Happy quilling, and see you next time. God bless you.